10th Standard Social Science, 1 mark questions. Geography, Unit 8, India, Mineral and Power Resources. What is mining? The process of extracting minerals from the earth is called mining. Which is the largest producer of iron in India? Odisha is the largest producer of iron ore in India. Where are iron ore found in Karnataka? Sandur, Hospete, Kemmangundi and Kudremukh. Which is the most important ferroalloy metal? Manganese ore. Which ore is used for the manufacture of steel? Manganese ore. Which state is the largest possessor and producer of manganese ore in India? Odisha. Which is the main source of aluminium? Bauxite. Which state is the largest producer of bauxite ore in India? Odisha is the largest producer of bauxite ore in India. Which is an important non-metallic mineral? Mica is an important non-metallic mineral. Mica sheets are used in electrical industry. Why? It can be easily split into very thin, transparent sheets and it is heat resistant. For these reasons, mica sheets are used in electrical industry. Recently, mica export has declined. Why? Because synthetic mica is being produced in many countries. What is power resources? The resources which are necessary for the generation of energy are called power resources. Give examples for non-conventional power resources. Coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. are the example for non-conventional power resources. Give examples for non-conventional power resources. Solar, wind, tidal, geothermal power, biogas, etc. are the examples for non-conventional power resources. India needs to develop non-conventional power resources. Why? To overcome energy crisis. Which fuel is a substance of plant origin? Coal. Coal is composed largely of carbon. Why? The vegetative matter which was buried in the past ages has changed into coal due to high temperature and pressure. Name the byproducts of coal. The byproducts of coal are ammonia, coal tar, coal gas, benzol, naphtha, and sulfur. Name the two coal geological periods. Gondwana and Tertiary coal deposits. Which mineral oil is composed of hydrocarbons? Petroleum. Which has the largest reserves of petroleum and has the highest production of crude oil in India? Bombay High Oil Field. Name the oil fields of Gujarat. Ankaleshwar, Cambay, Kalol, Naugaon and Mahasena. Where was petroleum first discovered in India? Makum in Assam. India has to import a large quantity of petroleum. Why? India is not a significant producer of petroleum. It has to import a large quantity of petroleum to meet its requirements. What is hydroelectricity? Electricity generated from the force of falling water is called hydroelectricity. There is the need to develop hydel power in India. Why? India does not have adequate fossil fuels such as oil, coal, and natural gas. That's why there is the need to develop hydel power in India. Where was the first hydroelectricity power plant in India was installed? Darjeeling. Where was the real generation of hydel power started in India? Shivanasamudram. Name the important hydel power generation station of Karnataka. Shivanasamudram, Shimsa, Sharavati, Linganamakki, Alamatti, Varahi, Kali and Bhadra. Name the important hydel power generation station of Tamil Nadu. Mettur, Paikara, Papanasam, Periyar, Moyar, Kunda, Suruliyar, Kodayar, Solayar. Name the important hydel power station of Maharashtra. Koina, Kopoli, Bhola, Bhivpuri and Bira. Name the important hydel power generation station of Odisha. Hirakud, Bhimkud, Balimela and Regali. Name the important hydel power generation station of Andhra Pradesh. Srishailam, Ramapada Sagar, Sileru. Name the important hydel power generation station of Telangana. Nizam Sagar, Nagarjuna Sagar, Pochampad. Name the important hydel power generation station of Kerala. Idikki, Sabargiri, Pallivasal, Parambikulam. What is nuclear power? The energy generated from the atomic minerals is called nuclear power? India formulated the program of nuclear power production. Why? The production of power is not enough to meet the requirement. That's why India formulated the program of nuclear power production. Where is the first nuclear power plant was set up in India? The first nuclear power plant was set up in India at Tarapur. Where is Tarapur nuclear power plant located? Maharashtra. Where is Rana Pratap Sagar nuclear power plant located? Rajasthan. Where is Kalpakam nuclear power plant located? Tamil Nadu. Where is Narora nuclear power plant located? Uttar Pradesh. Where is Kakrapara nuclear power plant located? Gujarat. Where is Kaiga nuclear power plant located? Karnataka. Where is Kundankulam nuclear power plant located? Tamil Nadu.